Hey guys, how's it going? Straight here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today is day 12 of the daily vlog. Woke up, worked out, took a shower. Got some exciting news. I'm moving to the beach, so I'm going to be working on selling the house today. And I'm going to walk you guys through the entire process. But right now I'm going out to go get some breakfast for a little bit to fuel the tank so that we can have a productive day. So breakfast is a cheese sandwich with a fried ball of ice cream. I've never had fried ice cream in my life. A batido de taxo, which is like a smoothie of taxo. And I'm about to have a mora juice, which is, I think it's blackberry, I'm not sure. Hey guys, how's it going? We are sitting here in the park just chilling out for a little bit. I have it planned in my day to have like a small little break to myself. And so this is the break to ourselves. How's it going? As you can see, we're packing up the house. This is all selling music equipment. Over here we've got all the shit we're selling. Basically the whole house. Check out the table. Yeah, we're just getting rid of all of it. Alright guys, so we just told our neighbors that we were moving out and we sold half the house. A little 110. Pretty good for half the kitchen. We still have other shit to sell, but that's a good chunk of house. And I think we also sold the couch. They might buy the couch. If they buy the couch and maybe the bed, they basically bought the whole fucking house. So, the cool thing about this little house, like hostel we're gonna go stay at, is it's right on top of a bar. And so, basically, the cool thing is I'm going to be able to play this bar basically whenever I want. And not only that, but I can go and start getting gigs at all the other bars and just fill up my time schedule like super hard, just full of gigs and stuff on the beach, which is going to be really, really sick. I'm super, super, super stoked because I know that I've got my two internets, the backup internet, the emergency one, and the one at the hostel. Right, and I also know that like we've got a secure room for like a good long while, and we're really, really good friends with the owners, so we could probably like get some jobs there, you know what I mean? But I'm just gonna like try to play some gigs and stuff, so that's pretty cool. I'm super stoked about that. Dudes, right now it is freaking almost 3 in the morning again. I'm editing your guys' video right now. It is so hard, dude, to sit here and do the daily content for you guys. Like, you have no idea. And pack the house. Like, dude, I'm exhausted. You guys have no idea. Like, I fucking woke up at like 10, and it's 3 in the morning, and I've just been going. So, as always, today I did make a cover video, and I made a tutorial video. Both are going to be shown over there on the left. As always, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and you guys take it easy.